everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to Nailmas Day 17. I can't believe we are already 17 days in. Today I am doing a classic Santa suit nail art design and I haven't done one of these in a while, so I was pretty excited about doing it because it's such a quick and easy manicure to do. So I've started off with my base coat ready to go, and I'm using a red polish. I am using Zoya's shade called Tanya. Of course, any red nail polish would work for this. Tanya was just a new release and it was kind of at the top of my Zoya stash, so I decided to use this one. And I actually only did one coat of it before I started the art. So whenever I did let that dry and I started the art, I started with some white acrylic paint and my dotting tool to kind of just put a big stripe down the middle of my nail, and then on the tip of my nail, that's going to create the fuzzy part of the Santa coat. And I did not want perfect edges because I wanted to give the illusion of it being fuzzy and poofy. So that is what I did there. I let that dry, and then I used the Orally Long Detailer brush and some black acrylic paint to put the belt across the, about midway on the nail actually. So depending on how long your nail is, you can kind of gauge where you want to put the belt. But that's what I did on mine, and I filled that in to give it a little bit more of a thickness. And then I let that dry, and then I moved on to the next step. And for the next step, I used golden acrylic paint to create the buckle on this belt. And acrylic paint in gold is great to use if you have a Michaels. I totally suggest getting their metallic gold acrylic paint because, I mean, you guys have seen me use it so many times this season. So definitely a worthwhile paint to have. And it really shows up nicely on the black, in my opinion. So it's the perfect use for this manicure. And then I let that bit dry, I applied a top coat, and then I was done. This is a super easy, quick manicure. I just paired it with other red nails and a glitter accent, so if you want to know those names, I will list the name of the glitter polish that I use as my accent nail in the description box below. I know it's a painted Phalanges, but I cannot recall its name, so it will be down there. But super easy. I hope you all enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching day 17. And I will see you back here tomorrow for day 18. Bye!